One of the most powerful ways to get your client to say yes, it's mirroring. Mirroring is very powerful technique if implemented smartly. Of course, mirroring makes others feel at ease. It's such a powerful rapport building tool that slow motion video research reveals that mirroring even extends to simultaneous blinking, nostril flaring, eyebrow raising, and even pupil dilation. Non-verbal mirroring says that, look at me, I am same as you. I feel the same way and share the same attitude. This is why people at concerts and music events all jump to their feet and applaud simultaneously or give a Mexican wave together. In case of presentation, mirror can be a very good strategy if you are a part of a presentation team. Decide in advance that when the team spokesperson makes the gesture and takes a posture when speaking, the entire team will mirror him. This not only gives your team a powerful appearance of being cohesive, it can frighten hell out of your competitors who suspect something is up, even though they can't quite figure out what exactly it is. For more golden nuggets like these, follow me on Instagram at coach.mohammadmoin.